If your goal is to get rid of your timeshare before your next maintenance fees are due, these are the two most common options to make your listing more attractive and stand out amongst all of the other free listings that are out there. If you have offered to pay closing costs, or when you go look on eBay or Tug or Facebook and you still see dozens of listings for free and those people are willing to pay closing costs, the next step on top of that is offering to pay an extra years of maintenance fees, or pay half a year's if you don't want to do a full years. I know this sounds crazy. I know this sounds ridiculous, but that is just the reality of the timeshare resale market. If you've been offering it for free and you haven't had any takers, I guarantee you you can eventually get to a point that you're offering an incentive in prepaid maintenance fees and closing costs that is going to get someone interested in taking over your timeshare to get you out from under those fees. And that money is going to be less than any exit company, any solution out there that someone is going to quote unquote offer to get you out of your timeshare, guaranteed. Just absolutely ludicrous amount of money changing hands between owners and scammers out there. And this is just a better solution that completely eliminates that. It's cheaper for you. You're dealing directly with your resort. And it's very likely someone, an actual legitimate owner, taking over that timeshare and being a happy paying owner, or at least for the next year or so, since you prepaid for them.